Boost your Facebook ad accuracy and reach by mastering Facebook's conversion API integration with your Shopify store, sending crucial customer data directly from your server. First things first, let's head over to your Shopify admin. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section. In the Shopify App Store, search for the official Facebook and Instagram sales channel app. This is your gateway to a smoother integration. Look for the Add App button and click it to install the channel. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect. Now, you'll be prompted to connect your Facebook Business extension. This is where you'll link your Facebook Business Manager account to your Shopify store. Make sure to select the correct Facebook Business Manager and the specific ad account you want to use for your campaigns. This ensures your data flows to the right place. Crucially, you'll see an option to enable advanced matching. This is the magic that allows the conversion API to work by matching customer data like emails and phone numbers. Once you've selected your desired settings, you'll see a confirmation. This means the initial setup is complete and your Facebook sales channel is live. To fine-tune your conversion API setup, navigate to the Manage Pixel and Conversions API section within your Facebook sales channel. Here, you can verify that your Facebook pixel is connected and, even more importantly, that your Conversions API events are enabled. You'll see a list of standard e-commerce events that will now be sent automatically. You should see status indicators confirming your integration is active. This signifies that your Shopify store is now diligently sending customer actions directly to your Facebook server. This direct server-to-server communication means more accurate tracking of purchases, add to carts, and other vital actions, leading to better ad performance and privacy compliance. Start leveraging the power of the Conversion API today for more insightful advertising and a stronger connection with your customers.